Saturday, and that means meal prep day. So I'm going to be putting I got a big bowl 5-pound ground beef and ground pork. Got the ground pork, so I'm trying to clean out my freezer. And I've got a bag in my crock pot here. I'm cutting this. There we go. It's still partially frozen, so it's a little hard to cut or hard to maneuver. There we go. And now I'll set this on low and I'll keep up with it every hour. Except I lied, I add water to it. The water helps keep it from sticking so bad, and then I use that excess water with my dogs through the week on their dog food. So I'll check back with the next part. You're gonna get a side view right now. My ground beef 80-20 and the ground pork 80-20, they're done. So I'm gonna do it in 6-ounce servings. .3. I'm not going to stress over a 0.1 or 0.2, or I'll kind of round because some of the juice is getting in there too. But as long as it's less than 6.5, then I'll keep it. Holy mackerel, that was a little bit wild. Now, I'm hoping this don't kill me. It's a little pink. But I stuck a thermometer down in the water, like this kind of thermometer, this instant read kind of thermometers. I stuck it down in the middle of that, and it was like 150, 160s. So I'm like, well, surely, if it's higher than 145, which is what it's supposed to be for pork, surely if it's higher than 145, I won't die. So this week, if I all of a sudden quit posting, you'll know. All right, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get these made up. You don't have to watch me weigh each one. And there you go. I've got all those ground beef and ground pork made up. And then that is my broth. So I'll pop all that in the refrigerator freezer. And there is that part of the meat. Still working on the pork steaks. They're in the oven.